Today we are going to talk about when to harvest the passion fruit. The passion fruit has a sweet and tart flavor, combined with a fragrant aroma, which adds to the eating experience. It's hard to compare them to another fruit, since they are so unique. They can be eaten either raw or juiced. A telltale sign when to harvest them is usually when the skin appears or wrinkly, and is a dark purple or dark yellow-red fruit in color. They won't appear very attractive as fruit, but this is the ideal time to harvest it in its prime. Green passion fruit are unripe and can be left on the counter for a few days to ripen up. The heavier fruits are best as they have plenty of moisture inside. You can also do the smell test. When the fruit is ripe, the tropical aromas can be picked up. As with all fruit, avoid fruits that are damaged or have any signs of mold or decay. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.